Hi, if you are new, welcome to Up and Away with Shani YouTube channel. If you are a returner, thank you very much for always returning to my channel. Today we are packing, we are going to Europe. I wasn't home, I started washing very late around 12 o'clock. And I had a lot of things to wash, so I finished late. And this I think that I arranged that I think I will go with, but not blankets. The throws will stay home, but only those things that are down. Plus, again, I have my shoes that are not yet dry. That's why they are here. So I'm also going with my skating shoes. So today we are stopping here. I'm tired. It's already 10 o'clock. I just want to take a bath and go to bed. I will continue tomorrow. And those are my swimwears. I am very excited. I feel by tomorrow I will be done. I just want to pack with you because this time around in Europe is winter, so I'm only going with winter things. So ciao ciao, see you tomorrow. Arrivederci. I just wanted to show you the process, but tomorrow I will show you everything because the jackets are not yet there. I will add them tomorrow. Love you so much, guys. Bye. And the thing that I'm having on top of those are the thing that I will wear once I arrive in Namibia, because most of the time when I'm arriving it used to be hot. Last year I made a mistake because I did not go with light clothes. Then I was suffering a lot because I could not have anything to wear in Namibia. I was only having winter things. So for this year I am ready. I am already having my winter things. That one I will leave it in Windhoek, where I'm going to stop, and the rest I will pack. I also have my gels, but the gels I will show you tomorrow. I will select. I'm not going with everything. Ciao. Buonanotte. Next day we are here to continue. So I just picked up everything from the ground and I put them here on the bed so that I can continue packing. Let us pack together. These are my winter jacket that I put here. I don't know which one to pack, but I have to decide, otherwise I don't have space. Plus again, I wanted to go with the medium suitcase. I don't want to go with the large one. I will show you later. I will add this, the red one, white one, this jersey, and maybe probably this one. I don't know. I want to figure it out now, but it's too much. Let us pack. I will show you final result, how things will go. But so far it's like that. These are all jerseys. These are jerseys and jackets that I want to go with, but I feel like I have to reduce, otherwise I don't have anywhere to put them. It's quite tricky because I don't know which one I should choose, but maybe probably I will only reduce with the 2 or 3 probably, because I don't know. But now I will show you the suitcases and the shoes that I want to go with. Shoes I know already. I'm only going with 4 pairs. They are enough. I'm only contemplating when it comes to jerseys and jackets. But in Italy, most of the time people don't wear jerseys. They prefer anything that is having a zip, or anything that have buttons whereby it does not need to close. But in any way they don't prefer normal, because last year I went with my training shorts and they were laughing at me like, what, you can't wear this here, this is not fashion, you can't go out with training shorts. So this year I am only packing jeans. Then I also have I still have training shorts there, but that one I'm only going to wear when I'm in the house. Plus again, I have some few official trousers. I feel like they are there. I'm going with the 4 official trousers, jeans, turtlenecks. Those are only things that I'm going to focus, because they are more into jeans, official trousers, and mostly jackets, anything which has button or anything that can open in front, that is their fashion. They don't want other things. It was so funny. So after, when I'm done packing this one, I will show you what I have packed last year. That will be a video on its own. I took it last year and I did not get time to post it, so I just want to show you that in Europe, people prefer jackets than going with jerseys. Even though I'm having my closed jerseys here, those ones you can only wear them under, and on top you put something which is open. I will show you the videos each and every time when I'm going out. They are having fashion here. We don't care as long as we feel warm, but for them, they have space. You wear like this with these shoes. This one, you don't do it, you do it like this. They just have a lot of things. The first week only that I did not tell you guys, I went crazy and I felt so bit difficult. I don't know where I'm going to put these things, because always traveling in winter is not the best option ever. It's kind of difficult. You don't know where. You have a lot of things, and obviously if I happen to pack only one jacket each and every day, I'm just in one jacket, I will get so exhausted and I will go crazy. So for now, I'm here. I just needed to reduce with a few things, but maybe I will take again. I will put one jeans again back in the wardrobe, because I put two already back. I just want to keep on reducing until I can be able to pack. I was also stressed. Now it's 2 o'clock the next day. I woke up, I removed everything from the wardrobe. I don't know what to take, and here I am. Ciao for now. I will show you the process later. Love you so much, guys. I just want also to show you shoes now before I move on. Shoes that I'm going with, I'm only going with 5 pairs to go with that white suitcase, but I think there's no way. Maybe it's just better for me to go with this big one. I don't know. I don't think things will fit in there. Done to my hair product, and after I will also put in the plastic in case if something happen. So I'm trying my best. I don't know if it's the best way, but probably I have done it like that. So now I will put them in a plastic so that they don't mess up with my clothes. Then yeah, I'm about to finish packing. The process is kind of tough, but in any way I will finish now. So far I have packed 2 bags. The one on top, I will use those things in Windhoek, and the day that I'm traveling is the clothes that I'm going to wear once I have returned back and when I'm going to the airport. The one which is kind of khaki, that one I will go with it, and I will just finish also packing the suitcase because it's halfway.